Today I will make a easy Diwali card. I will use these colors from my mixed sprinkle mist. And I will also use a watercolor paper. Now I am taking this box and put my paper inside it. Now I will spray my colors. As you can see, I took a bit of help from mom for spraying, as my tiny fingers could not press the spray. I used citrus yellow and dark purple eye mixed sprinkle mists here. And the colors are looking fantastic, don't you think so? Now I will dry the colors. I applied an anti-static powder on my card, and with help of Versamark watermarking and Mudra Diwali stamp, I stamped the image. Then I used some gold embossing powder and heat set it. Mom helped me holding the tool correctly. I cut some stamp image on a piece of paper and covered my stamped area. Now I sprinkled some white acrylic paint all over. I like this effect as it feels like the crackers in the night sky. And now it's time to dry it. Now I glued 3 white sequins on my card. This was a lot of hard work but looked very good. I love how the image is shining. I also made another card, but mom forgot to record this one, and I used burnt orange and fuchsia pink. I mixed sprinkle mists on this card. Do like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Do not forget to leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See ya.